In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best bikini trimmers for women on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best bikini trimmers for women on Amazon. Number 5, PELCAS 6-in-1 Bikini Trimmer for Women and Men, Electric Shaver Grooming Kit with Nose Hair Trimmer, Cordless Body Razor for Face, Legs, Eyebrows and Private Areas. 6-in-1 Multifunction Grooming Kit includes interchangeable heads for bikini line, face, nose, eyebrows, legs, and full body hair removal. Cordless and portable design. Enjoy hassle-free grooming anytime, anywhere with rechargeable cordless operation, gentle and skin-friendly blades designed to provide a smooth, irritation-free shave. For sensitive areas. Precision trimming attachments perfect for detailed grooming of eyebrows, facial hair, and hard-to-reach areas, versatile for men and women, suitable for full-body grooming including private areas, underarms, and legs, compact and lightweight, easy to carry and ideal for travel or everyday use. Easy to clean and maintain. Detachable heads allow quick cleaning for hygienic use. Durable and reliable performance, built with quality materials for long-lasting use. Simplify your grooming routine with the PELCAS 6-in-1 Bikini Trimmer Kit, a versatile and all-in-one solution for both women and men. Designed for complete body care, this electric grooming kit includes multiple attachments to handle everything from facial hair and eyebrows to legs, underarms, and sensitive areas. The cordless design provides convenience and flexibility, allowing you to groom anytime without restrictions. Each attachment is designed for precision and comfort, helping you achieve smooth results without irritation, even on delicate skin. Whether you're trimming your bikini line, shaping your eyebrows, or removing unwanted facial hair, the PELCAS Groom. Number 4, Philips Lady Shaver Series 6000 BRL 13700, Cordless Wet and Dry Electric Shaver for Women, 3-blade system, 80-minute runtime for legs, body and bikini. 3-blade shaving system delivers a close, smooth shave while being gentle on sensitive skin. Wet and dry use. Waterproof design allows comfortable use in the shower or for quick dry shaving. Cordless convenience. Rechargeable battery provides up to 80 minutes of runtime for flexible grooming. Designed for full body care, ideal for legs, underarms, and bikini area with safe, precise performance. That skin-friendly floating foil adapts to body contours to reduce irritation and improve comfort. Ergonomic grip design, easy to handle for better control during shaving. Quick charging capability. Efficient charging ensures the device is ready when you need it. Easy cleaning. Rinsable head for simple and hygienic maintenance. Achieve smooth, comfortable results with the Philips Lady Shaver Series 6000, designed for gentle and effective hair removal across the body. Featuring a 3-blade shaving system, this cordless electric shaver provides a close shave while remaining soft on sensitive skin, making it perfect for legs, underarms, and the bikini area. The wet and dry functionality gives you the flexibility to shave in the shower for a more comfortable experience or use it dry for quick touch-ups. With up to 80 minutes of cordless runtime, you can enjoy uninterrupted grooming without frequent recharging. The ergonomic design ensures easy handling, while the floating foil adapts to your body's contours for a smooth, irritation-free finish. Built for convenience, the shaver is easy to clean and maintain, making it ideal for everyday use, whether you're looking for a quick shave or a complete grooming routine. The Philips Lady Shaver Series 6000 offers reliable performance, comfort, and convenience in one sleek design. Number 3, Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit, Cordless Women's Trimmer and Shaver, Waterproof Wet/Dry Grooming, White/Pink. 2-in-1 Trimmer and Shaver. Designed for precise bikini trimming and smooth body shaving in one convenient tool. Cordless convenience. Battery-powered design allows easy, hassle-free grooming anywhere. Waterproof wet/dry use, safe for use in the shower for a comfortable and convenient grooming experience. Skin-friendly blades, gentle on sensitive areas, helping reduce irritation and cuts. Compact and lightweight design, easy to handle and perfect for travel or everyday use. Precision trimming head, ideal for shaping and maintaining the bikini line. Easy to clean detachable parts allow quick rinsing for hygienic maintenance. Trusted brand quality, reliable performance for consistent grooming results. Enjoy smooth and effortless grooming with the Remington Smooth. Number 2, OLOV electric body hair trimmer for men and women. Groin and bikini trimmer with ceramic blade, wet/dry waterproof shaver. USB rechargeable grooming kit. Purple dot multi-purpose grooming tool designed for both men and women, ideal for groin, bikini line, underarms, legs, and body hair trimming. Ceramic blade technology. Skin-friendly blades provide a smooth, precise trim while reducing irritation and nicks. Wet and dry use. Fully waterproof design allows safe use in the shower and easy cleaning after use. USB rechargeable dock. Convenient charging with long-lasting battery for cordless grooming anywhere. Replaceable blade heads. Easy to swap and maintain for long-term hygiene and performance. Ergonomic grip design. Comfortable to hold for better control and precision during grooming. Low noise operation. Quiet motor ensures a discreet and comfortable grooming experience. Compact and travel-friendly. Lightweight design makes it perfect for home or on-the-go use. Achieve smooth and comfortable grooming with the OLOV electric body hair trimmer, a versatile solution designed for both men and women. Whether you need to trim the groin, bikini area, or other body parts, this trimmer delivers precise results with minimal irritation. Featuring advanced ceramic blade technology, the trimmer ensures a gentle yet effective cut, making it ideal for sensitive areas. The waterproof design supports both wet and dry use, allowing you to groom conveniently in the shower while making cleanup quick and easy. The USB rechargeable dock provides reliable cordless operation, so you can groom anytime without being restricted by cords. With replaceable blade heads, maintaining hygiene and performance is simple and cost-effective. Its ergonomic and lightweight design ensures comfortable handling, while the quiet motor enhances your grooming experience. Perfect for everyday use, the OLOV body hair trimmer is a practical and efficient grooming tool for a smooth. Number 1, HOHOLE 5-in-1 bikini trimmer for women, electric razor and body shaver with 5 replaceable heads, IPX7 waterproof. USB rechargeable grooming kit. White point 5-in-1 multifunction grooming kit includes 5 interchangeable heads for bikini line, legs, arms, underarms, and facial hair removal. Gentle and precise shaving designed for smooth, irritation-free trimming on sensitive skin areas. IPX7 waterproof, design safe for wet and dry use. Perfect for use in the shower for easy cleaning. USB rechargeable dock. Convenient charging with long-lasting battery performance for cordless use. Ergonomic and lightweight design, easy to handle for precise control and comfortable grooming. Skin-friendly blades. High-quality blades ensure a close shave without cuts or discomfort. Portable and travel-friendly. Compact size makes it ideal for home use or on-the-go grooming. Easy to clean and maintain. Detachable heads allow quick rinsing and hygienic maintenance. Simplify your beauty routine with the HOHOLE 5-in-1 bikini trimmer for women, a versatile grooming solution designed for full body care. This all-in-one electric razor comes with 5 interchangeable heads, allowing you to easily trim and shave different areas including the bikini line, legs, arms, underarms, and face. Engineered for comfort and precision, the trimmer features skin-friendly blades that deliver a smooth, irritation-free shave even on sensitive areas. The IPX7 waterproof design allows for both wet and dry use, making it perfect for convenient grooming in the shower and easy cleaning after use. The USB rechargeable system provides reliable cordless performance, so you can groom anytime, anywhere without hassle. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures easy handling and precise control for a flawless finish every time. Whether you're preparing for a day out or maintaining your daily routine, the HOHOLE bikini trimmer offers a convenient, efficient, and comfortable grooming experience, all in one compact device.